So there's a little teaser. What's up, guys? My name is Krishan and welcome to the channel. Alright, that's kind of weird. Yo, I'm gonna start a channel, alright, and it's gonna be about me rebuilding my car. Alright, so the problem is how I decided to rebuild my car. I got into an accident. Yeah, I did something stupid. I'm not gonna mention what I did. I mean, you can probably figure it out by the time I go and show you what the car looks like right now. So basically, I do drive a Ford Mustang 2010 V6. It's a piece of shit. I know, but it's my piece of shit. So that. What everyone else thinks, I love my car, okay? It has a really good sound system, but it doesn't drive too well, and it doesn't look too well right now either. So here's what we're gonna do. I think there's a lot of people in my position where they did some damage to their car and they can't really afford a new car. And we all know we really want to go one day and reach the gates of heaven and get a Mustang GT or a GT 500. But unfortunately, not everyone can do that right now. So people need to appreciate the cars that they have. And, you know, I want to bring you on this journey as I try to fix my car. So I'll show you the damage in a bit. But my aim of this channel is to take you with me while I fix my car, and I'm probably gonna make mistakes, and I want to document it all so people who are watching me can learn from my mistakes. And obviously not everyone has a Mustang. Some people have other cars, and that's okay. All right, I think the car community is really toxic right now. Yes, everyone has feelings and we need to appreciate them. Okay, people can drive whatever the cars they have and enjoy it, and it's the only thing that matters is the connection the car and the driver have. Okay, so some people can drive like a Miata and they're the happiest mother out there, but some people can drive a Toyota Camry and they still like it, right? It's a good car. And I think the whole point of this channel is to just show love for cars. I know a lot of ladies and gentlemen love their cars and like to take care of them, and some of them can't afford to front the bill to cover maintenance, and all the parts for your cars are readily accessible online. And I've been doing that for the longest time, but I've been scared to work on my own car, and I kind of want to get over that fear and figure out my car and fix it on my own. So I'm going to show you right now in a few moments. I have to get prepared. I live in New York, so it's kind of tough to do, okay, to keep on going outside, and it's starting to get cold and I don't like it at all. I'm gonna go outside now and then I'm gonna show you what we have to do with the car. Yeah, it's just another gloomy day in New York, huh? This is why, like, I low-key don't like living here, because the weather's always just jack. Alright, so there's the car. Let's see. Alright. So it's a 2010, but we had you can see the damage already. So probably need a hood. Damn, it still looks sexy though. Alright. So that's what we got. It's not too bad, but I think, yeah. So obviously the fender well is out. I have to get a new fender, which is all these parts are in the house, by the way. I'm gonna try and repair the bumper. It doesn't seem too bad. These are the 2013 2014 lights, but it fits on the 2010. Yeah, I need a new hood. I'm gonna try and get a close-up of the inside, but you're probably not gonna see it. You probably have to pull that out like this side more, because as you can see, the tail light, the headlight, sorry, is being pushed over into that side. It's here. But yeah, what I saw on YouTube, what I saw online was that you can actually get like a replacement bumper and the grill together. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know if that's the move, but for sure that's something that I need to fix to make the car look better again. This is gonna be fun. I don't think it's pushed in that much, the frame. It doesn't seem like. So I did some research, and the front, there's like a separate frame that you can get, but you need to drill out the spot welds. I don't know what exactly it's called, but you need to drill them out, and then you need to like cut it out and then remove it. But you can get like an OEM part from Ford, and it's on the website. It's actually in stock, and you can replace it, and everything's lined up perfectly, and you don't have to do anything. But that's a lot of work, and I don't have a spot welding machine. I don't have a drill. I can get a drill, but I'm thinking for now I can just try and pull it out. Some friends might come along and help me, and we'll try to figure out some nice and creative ways to, like the left side that's pushed in, we'll try to get it out, and we'll try to align the headlights. I know the headlights has some room to play, so we can align it nicely, but I think as long as the fender lines line up and the headlights line up, then we're pretty much on the money. I think the hood should be pretty decent, pretty easy to line back up again. I'll have to take a look at that. I haven't really taken a look at that, but yeah, I might put on a new hood, but we'll see. For now, that's the game plan.